This morning I purchased one of Dell's USB-C adapters. This one is the DA200 model, and this is the unboxing video. I purchased this adapter to work with the Dell XPS 13 laptop due to the lack of ports. Inside the box you get some documentation. On the first sheet it warns you that on any operating system less than Windows 10 you need to download and install the Dell drivers specific for this adapter. On the second sheet there is the safety, environmental and regulatory information. And here is the actual USB-C adapter. On the back of the device you get the USB plug on a rubber lead. On one edge of the adapter you get a VGA and HDMI port, and on the other edge you get a Ethernet and USB 3 port.